As we know, limit n tending to infinity 1 plus x upon n की whole की power n, which is equals to e की power x, right? What is the limit of this? It is e की power x. We know that. Now we know how we find out limit of n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 over n square की whole की power n square. What is the limit of this? Okay, so there are two ways for finding out this limits. Okay, first way is limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 over n upon n की whole की power n की whole की power n. That gives you, this is x, in comparison of this is x, and it is 1 plus x की whole की x upon n की whole की power n. So it gives you e की power 1 over n की whole की power n. That is cancel out, so this gives you e, right? So for direct calculation, how do you find second way? The second way is that limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 over n square की whole की power n square. We let n square is same, so we let it is m. So m tending to infinity 1 plus 1 over m की whole की power m. This gives you e, because 1 plus 1 over n की whole की power n is equals to e. So 1 plus 1 over m, either n, this is all are equal, so it is e. Now the third is, this is the same, limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 2 upon n की whole की power n, which gives you e की power 2, as it is x is 2. Now limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by 2 into n की whole की power 3n, right? So after substituting in good way, this gives you 1 plus 1 by 2 की 1 by 2 upon n की whole की power n का whole cube. This one is good way. Okay, this gives you e की power 1 by 2, that is x, and का whole cube. This gives you e की power 3 by 2, right? And the simple way of finding out this limit, it is the easiest way and direct method. If you finding out this limit e की power 1 by 2n into 3n, that is n to n cancel, which gives you e की power 3 by 2.